Neighbors, what's good? It's your boy, it's your guy, DJ Neighborhood. And today what we gonna be doing, we're gonna be doing this. These are some long tube headers, baby. Yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, so what we're about to do now is spray these headers. We're gonna, coat them and all that good stuff. But oh shit, while he doing that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking off these bolts. In order to get this off, get to the headers, you're gonna have to take this off and the air intakes. We're gonna disconnect the negatives. But yeah, starting off, it's gonna be these three, those three over there, and those two right there. And after that's done, you should be able to lift all of that up and pull it off. I'm gonna show y'all that once it's all done. All right, neighbor, so as you can see, we just took the brace off, and we took it off, we put it to the side and all that. Still got the paint going over there from time to time, just to double coat what we got left over. We're gonna wrap them next. So with that being said and done, all right, we took that off. Now what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to remove these air intakes, this one and this one. It's gonna be easier on the passenger side. After remove the air intakes and stuff, you should be able to see the heat shield down there. Yeah, and after that we're gonna come over and do the driver's side. But other than that, yeah, I'm finna take these off. And when we took these off, I had used what socket was this? This is the 14? We was using the 14? Yeah, we used the 14 for these and for back there. And be aware that some of them gonna be screws, some of them just gonna be lugs. We just twist the other lugs on there so we won't lose it. But yeah, so yeah, we're finna take off these intakes. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to disconnect these sensors right here. And after we disconnect the sensor, I'm gonna unscrew this and disconnect this from the throttle body. And after I do that, I'm gonna unclamp this, and I should be able to just pull the whole thing up from like that. And it's gonna be the same thing on the driver's side. But after we do that, yeah, I'm finna go and do that, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like after that. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I know I said I was gonna show y'all when I took it off, but what I did was I gotta take that bolt off right there.
Started stripping it.
No, trying to make sure I don't. But I took this out, and I unloosened this. Well, you didn't have to. Not this. I unloosened this. My bad. Not this bolt. That bolt. And what I'm doing now is, now that you got it like that, you can just really shake this right here, like this, and it comes off. But I'm gonna have to disconnect this right here too.
Yeah, that's so much easier.
So what I'm finna do? Easy. Yes, sir. Put that up there. So what I'm finna do now, guys, I'm gonna take this off, and when I take this off, this whole box right here gonna come out. But stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all that once it's done and everything. All right, neighbor. So as you can see, we got both air intakes out on the passenger side and the driver's side. So as you can see right here, this is the heat shield. Get a little closer down there. But yeah, it's a little more spacious on this side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect everything from up top on this side over here, and then after we do that, we're gonna jack the car up. And well, probably wise down, we probably just go ahead and get everything on this side too. This side gonna be more hell to work with because it's so tight. 9 times out of 10, what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to disconnect this sensor right here and move this over, and I can move this cord over here, well, this hose right here. That should give me a little more space to get down off in there. But yeah, so far so good. Yeah, we're gonna get on the passenger side, and I'll show y'all the heat shield once I pull it off. All right, neighbor, so as you can see, we got the heat shield off of there. Excuse me, my friend. We got the heat shield off of there. This the passenger side. I don't know if y'all can see down there, but yeah, y'all can see now. This right here, these are the headers, and as you can see, they rusted up real bad. It's time for some new ones. But yeah, those are the bolts right there. Some of them gonna come off the same way these did, so it'll be, like screw, and this will just be a lug. But yes, sir. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna try to get it. We're gonna untighten them from the top. We haven't jacked the car up yet because we still haven't done the driver's side. But I just want to show you that we got it off, and it's currently sitting right here. So what we're about to do now is get down there and take the heat shield off on the driver's side. And after we get the heat shield off on the driver's side, we're gonna disconnect the long tubes from up top, jack the car up, get up under, take them off from down below, and slap the new ones on. As of right now, we're still just getting them wrapped up and all that good stuff. We might have to go get some more wrap, but if we do, we got something for that. But yes, sir, stay tuned. All right, neighbor. So as you can see, all the bolts are out on the passenger side, not yet on the driver's side, but all the bolts are out on the passenger side. All we gotta do is just drop the headers. We've disconnected the exhaust pipe. All I gotta do now is just take the O2 sensor off that's down there up under the car and pull those headers out, and they're gonna drop, and that's it. Yeah, it done got dark on us out here. What took us so long was,
it's been a long day in the neighborhood.
Yes, it has. And we was using the wrong damn socket to get these off, but it was working. But after we realized what was going on, we just stopped so we wouldn't strip anything out. Went to the parts store, got what we needed, and it took a little longer than usual. So now, with that being said and done, what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna take this O2 sensor off up under the car. I'm gonna drop this. I'm gonna go and drop this this old header, and all right, neighbor. So I know it's kind of dark, you might not be able to see, but what we did then, finally got this long tube header off, and we just gonna drop the whole thing and grab it from the bottom. Shit, yeah, it hurt. And so after we do that, what we pretty much, oh shit, my bad, oh shit, that noise.
Okay.
Old gaskets. So what we're gonna do now, y'all can see it. All we're gonna do, we just gonna disconnect the whole thing. We didn't take them bolts off, we did it as a whole. So with that being said, we can just drop the whole thing as one. And tomorrow what we're gonna do is, yeah, if anybody needs some stock OEM headers, but tomorrow what we're gonna do is the passenger side, the driver's side. This was a bitch. Not as hard, it just didn't have the right tools, but now that we have the right tools, now that we got the right tools, it'll be a little easier. So that being said and done, as you can see, dropping it down, getting it out of there.
Finally.
As you can see, that, my friends, is a short tube header. Yeah, I'm tripping, man. You know how long we've been doing this, bro? Just because we had the wrong parts, ladies and gentlemen. But yes, sir, that is that. Yeah, we got far with the wrong parts actually. So that's that, and that is out of it. Tomorrow we will jump on the driver's side. Okay, neighbor, so that's gonna end this part of the vlog. This is part one. Tomorrow we'll pick up with part two, and I'm just gonna break it down in parts. So part two we'll pick up taking off the passenger side, the driver's side long tube headers, and we'll put on the passenger side new long tube headers, and I'll show y'all a comparison over in the weight difference of everything tomorrow, and we'll go from there. We also took these off, we also took this off, but tomorrow, yeah, we'll start putting on the new headers and give you a weight comparison and all that. So if you watch the vlog this far to the end, come in the neighborhood for me, and that's it.